Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Your iPhone model and iOS version determine wired or wireless operation. Plug in a certified Lightning cable for a wired install, or prepare to pair Bluetooth and enable Wi-Fi for wireless. Next, inspect your car. If the factory stereo lacks CarPlay, identify a compatible aftermarket head unit or a plug-in CarPlay module. Once you have the right hardware, gather tools, trim removal, Torx or Phillips bits, and a clean flat work area to begin the install now. You remove the trim and replace the head unit, keeping track of each screw and connector so reassembly is simple. Route the USB cable to a convenient port, plug in the reverse camera feed if used, and attach the antenna and CAN or vehicle harness to retain steering controls. Once mounted, power the unit and follow on screen prompts to pair via Bluetooth if wireless, or plug in the Lightning cable for wired CarPlay. Then make sure CarPlay is allowed on your iPhone under screen time or restrictions. You finish by testing every function. Play audio, make a call, use navigation, and verify the microphone and steering wheel buttons work. Calibrate screen and adjust settings like orientation and app layout so CarPlay feels integrated. If features are missing, check for firmware updates for the head unit and update your iPhone. Troubleshooting: if CarPlay doesn't connect, restart your phone, try a different certified cable, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or perform a factory reset of the unit as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.